Da 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 da, down on the farm and cooking some steakies. Da
Hey, Carl, let's get those steaks going.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Chef Carl, Food Whisperer on YouTube. And if you have an opportunity to watch some of our videos, please subscribe. And today we're going to be grilling some nice, beautiful, choice ribeye steaks. And I cut the tails off and make some. We'll try to make them for burnt ends. Some roasted potatoes, some sautéed mushrooms, which I cooked just in sherry, garlic, and we're going to also have some raw, nice grilled vegetables. So let's get the party going. We'll be right back. Bye.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
So we're back, and today, as I say, we're going to be cooking some nice strip loins. I cut out of a whole strip loin. Cooking some strip steaks. I cut out of a whole strip loin. I got at Cosco. They're about 10-ounce steaks. I got the tails, which I'll try to make mock burnt ends. Some roasted potatoes, some mushrooms cooked in butter, sherry, and garlic. And I got some nice vegetables we're going to grill same way. So what we're going to do now is just put a little bit of oil. We don't want to start a fire. On the steaks. A little bit of salt. I don't like to over season. A little cracked pepper. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the vegetables on first, get them organized, get them cooking, probably move some of them to the upper deck, and then put the mushrooms and the steaks and the tail on for the burnt ends. I'm using a Weber Genesis grill, and it's been faithful for me for many years. So let's get the party rolling here. Okay, so the grill's nice and hot, and it's a beautiful day out, about 81 degrees. Down on the farm, actually, by the lake. So, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some of these nice baby potatoes. I that's hot. Heated them up in the microwave so they cook through. Our goal is just to brown them a little bit on the and then I have these nice vegetables plus one stick of asparagus. That's all I got out of my garden. So I'll put that here. He had it. We didn't have any raw meat on this tray, so we're going to use it to pull the food off with. Mushrooms on. I'm going to put the meat on for the burnt end first, and then when we get it off, we'll be cooking the steak. I don't know if anybody's made burnt ends or beef tubes out of the tail or the prime rib strip loin. There goes nothing. Okay, let's check. We're going to turn over the vegetables and check these burnt ends. Oh, nice flame. That's what we want to get that flavor. Okay. Give the mushrooms a little stir. About another 2 minutes. I'll stack up the vegetables with the potatoes, and then I'm going to throw the steaks on. All right. Well, we've waited a couple more minutes. Let's see what's going on, and hope for the best. Starting to get some color on these steak pieces / burnt ends. Put these up here, let them steam a little bit. And Ward reminded me not to grab the pan without pot holders. We'll see. Oh, lost one. Lost two. All right. There's that lonely asparagus spear. Give these mushrooms a little stir. Alright, now all we gotta do is cook these medium rare, and we're ready for lunch. Alright, the steaks have been on for a couple of minutes. Now we're gonna flip them over. We don't want to overcook them. This is looking great. Everything's sizzling nice. I'm going to show you the mushrooms. Okay, got the mushrooms off. Our mock burnt ends are getting nice and brown, and the strip steaks are coming along nicely. And probably in about 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to turn on one more time. Another minute, probably cooking time about 6 to 8 minutes total. And we're going to have ourselves a nice lunch / dinner. All right, it's been a couple of minutes. We're going to try to flip those nice strip steaks. Look how nice these. These are coming nice. Beautiful. We'll get some nice color on the meat. And these are going to be cooked, like I said, not medium rare, because they're going to be like burnt ends. Nice color. All right, we're going to give them about another 2 minutes. Flip them back, and I think we'll be ready to plate up. Got some nice lamb going. Ooh, hot. Even with the pot holders. Okay. We're just going to put a few potatoes, onions, and peppers on for now, so you got the general idea. This sucker gets heavy fast, let me tell you. And folks, that's your end product. Grilled potatoes, grilled peppers, grilled onions, burnt ends, medium rare, medium strip loin steaks. And you know what? Just holding this, I'm getting hungry. So, thank you for watching. Bye for now. It's time for Ward, myself, and my wife to have some lunch. Bye. See you next time.